Hello guys, it's me Lhey and welcome back to my channel. I do have a happy mail here in front of me. This is from Jacquie from PinkPaperlane. She was so super sweet. She have this, is it Gillio? Is that how you pronounce it? But anyways, it's this beautiful TN. And you guys know me with my standard size traveler's notebook. So she is clearing out her office, and so she's been destashing a lot of her stuff, and I saw this pink TN and I just fell in love, and so I messaged her and find out how I can purchase it from her, and thought it would be really special. It's going to be my first one, and I thought it's extra special that it's from her. So anyways, I'm going to stop talking too much, and we are going to open up this beautiful TN so you and I can see together. Okay, so this is it. She has a simple note here. It says, "Hi Lhey, I miss you, lovely, and I hope to see you again soon. Love, Jacquie." Thank you so much, Jacquie. And she included Lhey certificate, so that this is a genuine product. And so you just have this booklet from Gillio. So what kind of products do they offer? And you have your bag, your dust bag over here. Angel sing. Look how lovely. Ooh. I'm gonna set aside that box so we can look at her and all her glory. Oh, she's so beautiful. Wow, the leather is super duper smooth and matte. I'm going to show you my Filofax, the croc from Filofax, so I can show you the difference. This one has a gloss finish to it. As you can see, the light reflects and bounces back. And this one, as you can see, this is more matte finish, but it's super duper beautiful. And you know me, I love my pink, so I love pink. And then this one is black, so I thought it was like a very perfect combination. You know what I'm saying? It's just so perfect that this one's black and this one's pink. And yes, so what am I going to use this for? I use it as a journal, and I'm actually going to show you how I will set her up. So in Jacquie's listing, she has 2 inserts from the Traveler's Company. And so I have this one that's just plain cream. You know how much I love Traveler's Company's insert, and I think this is from Foxy Fix. I could be wrong, probably not, because there's no Foxy Fix anywhere, but I don't know. And then this one, Jacquie said that this insert is good for watercolors also, because Jacquie is an amazing artist, so she does a lot of watercoloring. And so it's nice to have these inserts, but I will actually set these aside because I might put this in my traveler's notebook from the Traveler's Company. And I want to move over my Studio Calico's inserts in here, or booklets in here. Oops. And so I will show you how I set it up. So this traveler's notebook, it has 4 strings that you can use 4 inserts in here, right? But I can show you that in just 1 string, I can hook up 3 inserts, okay? So let me show you the magic. So this is the one that I started already. So what you do is find the middle part of your booklet over here. So that's the middle part, right? And this band is from the Traveler's Company. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down in the description box. So if you'd like to check it out, you can. So, but anything elastic that can stretch up to this size should be good. So I have it in the middle. Now you will have this part over here. Now you get your second booklet. I think this is the second booklet that I would like to use. So you find the middle part again. Okay, then you stick it over here. All right. So now I am going to put this one in the middle of these 2 notebooks. All right, so you see there's just one, and then this is in the middle. You can see that part? There we go. And now this part is sticking right here. So now I can get my other insert, my third insert, find the middle part of the insert and put it right in the middle. So there we have it, 3 inserts and 1 strand of elastic. Isn't that cool? Now you have 3 more left. Now the only problem is how thick or chunky your planner is going to be. But it seems like this one will have an extra space over here, so I can still chunk this up and it'll still be okay. So there we have it, 3 inserts and using 1 elastic. Pretty cool, huh? So this is my journal that I've started already. I have some things in here. I want to keep things simple and just kind of document things away, photos that I want to print, and then all that. And all that. And so I have a whole lot more photos to print, but I'm taking it just step at a time. I'm in no rush to finish my journals or anything like that. I just do it when I have the time and I just enjoy myself. And I think not having the pressure to create takes away that overwhelming feeling of, oh, I have to do this, oh, I gotta do this. No, it's just you do it when you have the time and you do it when you feel like doing it, because that's what makes it very special and enjoyable. You know, you're really actually enjoying the moment instead of turning it into something overwhelming, which is really not. So just create at your own time, at your own pace, and I think that's it. And you do you. If you're not someone who doesn't like to do a whole lot of dividers and pockets like me, I would rather spend my time creating inside my journal than decorating the pockets or anything like that, which is, there's nothing wrong with that too. That's the part of their creative process, and that's great. The part of the creative process that I enjoy is actually the journaling part and really documenting inside my journals. But anyways, I hope that setting that up helped you if you're into Traveler's Notebook and been wondering how to do that. But if so, I am glad to help. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you did, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting that like button. Until next video, see you guys next time. Bye bye.